Hello, my friends. I don't even know how to start this. I have a masterpiece to share with you. And I just don't know what even to say because it is a masterpiece. And I'm so excited about this one. Are you ready? It is 5x7 in size when folded. You can see a little peek here. Look at this masterpiece. Is that just the most adorable thing you have ever seen in your life? Look at the cute little scallops. Look at the bottom edge. It's like a little piece of furniture or something like that. Now, of course, it folds flat for mailing. And when you open it up, it looks like this. Now, it is not a coincidence. It is on purpose that you will see a cute little hedgehog in there. Because remember our Fold It Club? This coordinates with our Fold It Club. Are you ready? Get set. It is called the 5x7 Scallop Box Card. But when I turn this over and you see all the dies in here, your mind is going to be blown. Make sure your socks are on tight because I'm going to knock them off. Ready? Get set. Here we go. Look at this. Look at this. Beautiful, beautiful. You are getting the awesome scallop box, right? You are getting all of the layering pieces. You are getting the cute little hedgehog. You are getting, you got this, flying by to say hi, up, up, and away. You have another little guy with a bear with that can hold balloons. Lots and lots of balloons. Also, you're getting yay. Now, it is very important that I show you how stinking easy this is to do. So I will be die cutting this really quick for you because I need you to see this. It is so easy. The biggest die in the set is the most important. We're just going to quickly grab a piece of cardstock. Oh, I just filled my cardstock, so it's really full. Here, there we go. Grab one down here. I'm cheating. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to get our die cut machine out, and we are going to die cut this. Now, this is very, very close. If you have the Grand Marquis, because you know I love mine, it is very, very close. You are going to use the whole thing. Ready? Trimming that down. I'm going to lay this down. Look at how I'm doing this. I'm going to lay this down. It is very tight, but rest assured, my friends, it does work. We're going to lay that down, and I am going to make sure that I don't have any problems here. I'm going to make sure. I'm going to use my Better Than Washi tape. I'm going to actually tape it in like 2 spots just to make sure, 3 spots, just to make sure it goes through perfect, right? We don't want any mishaps. Look at that. I made sure it was going to work. I'm going to lay that down. I'm even going to, well, I'm going to bring this over here. Look at this. Bring this guy over here and we're going to run this through. Now, imagine that. I picked purple cardstock and I have a purple machine. What? Now we're going to run that through. Now I do notice that I'm a little crooked on this very edge on my cutting pad. So there might be a little spot I need to snip, but maybe not. Now, let's see what we have. We're going to bring this over here. Well, oh, it did. It still did it. Pfft, amazing. This machine, I'm telling you. Now, I'm going to pop this off. Now, with the Better Than Washi, rest assured, you don't have to worry about it pulling fibers from your cardstock because even though it's sticky, it doesn't stick that much because it's Better Than Washi. Washi always used to pull the fibers from my cardstock. Any cardstock. Now, what we're going to do here is we have all of our awesome pieces. There we go. There's the die cut. And on all the score lines, I'm just going to fold. You can use your bone folder if you want to. I usually don't. I'm usually too lazy to get it out. So there we go. We're going to just fold those down, fold those down. If you accidentally fold it the wrong way, let's say I accidentally fold this way, that's okay. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Actually, it even gives it a better fold when you do it. Now, most important part, see this little flap right here? I'm just going to add adhesive to that. Now you might want to use like your tear tape or something like that. For this video, I'm just doing the regular adhesive. Then I'm going to take this all the way around and I'm going to match it up right here to the front. Just like that, just like that. Okay, oh, come on, get on there straight. There we go. Press flat. Turn it this way, press flat just to make sure. Now I get to decorate. Look at how stinking cute that box is. Is that adorable? Now you're saying, Stephanie, I love it, but how do I get the extra layers in there? Well, there is another die in the set that is like kind of like the magic wand. I don't know. You can call it whatever you want. Now I'm going to use a different color on purpose because I want you to be able to see what it looks like when it's inside. So what I'm going to do is I'll grab this again just so you can see. I want you to see the whole thing, right? We're going to grab this And I have other things to share with you, so even if you know how to do our box cards, stay tuned. I have other items to show you. I just really want you to see this because it's so magical. So I'm going to run this through. Now, this is what I call the shelf, usually, which kind of doesn't make sense. I also call it sometimes a staple because that's what form it's going to make, kind of. So here we go. It has those two little score lines. Again, we're just going to score and score. Again, on the top of the flaps, you are going to add adhesive. That flap there and that flap there. Now, I made it look kind of like a staple. See how it has the three, boom, 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 right? Now what we're going to do is we're going to bring it over here. I've already added adhesive. And the easiest way to do this, I am hoping we can get this shot. The easiest way to do this is to slide it in like a staple. Use this as a guide to make sure it's flat. And then push it down a little. Then what you're going to do is gently close it to adhere it, and boom, there is my little shelf. Now I will be able to add all my cute little creatures on there, and then I'm going to be able to do something like this. Now you get to decorate. This one has 1, 2, 3 shelves in it. You can put as many shelves in there as you want, and look at how stinking adorable that is. Now, of course, again, folds flat for mailing. Now, I have other things to show you, and then I have more samples to show you. Now, remember our piece it die backgrounds? We had this one that came in a class that will be released soon. Then we also had this one with the fun rounded background. Well, we have another one. These were so popular. We're going to have more. Don't worry. And this one is triangles. It is all about the triangles, and let me show you what this looks like. Look at how stunningly gorgeous that is. Isn't that beautiful using our ruffled flowers? Look how cute that is. Perfect backgrounds. Okay, I'm going to show you more samples. Stay tuned. Last but not least, and I know it looks like nothing here, but you are the coolest friend. We came out with ice pops. We didn't have a die that said you're the coolest friend. Now we do. So you're the coolest friend is now available on the website. Now the first 24 hours these 3 items are on our website, they are on flash sale, and club members, you also get your discount. Let's look at some more samples. Look at how adorable. Can you imagine you give this to someone and hopefully you get to watch them open it. But when they open this, they're going to say, "What? Are you kidding? This is a work of art." Now, you and I know how easy it is to actually make. They don't. People that don't make cards don't know how easy this is. They are going to think you spent 1,000 hours on this. Look at this. Add your koalas. Every club set would look amazing in this. Look how cute this is. It folds 5x7 for mailing, standard postage. Yay, standard postage. Now let's look at a couple other samples and then we're going to go back to more boxes. You're the coolest friend. Here's another one. You're the coolest friend. Here's another one. You're the coolest friend. Look at that awesome background. Now, look at this one. Use our stencils, our cool ice pop stencils to make your own background paper. Isn't that beautiful? I love that. Now let's look at some samples for our, look at that, piece it dies. So this is the triangle piece it dies. Look how cute. Now here's another one. Oh, the lavish, oh, those lavish flowers. I love those. Now I want to show you, and this is really fun. Who did this? Sheila. Sheila did this. These look exactly the same, don't they? But they're totally different, right? So when you die cut that die out of the pattern paper, make 2 cards. Use it, those two triangles over here, these 2 triangles over there. Isn't that awesome? But they're the same, but they're totally different. I love that because you're just mixing up those pieces. So you're making 2 cards for the price of 1. Now, here we go. Here's some more. You're the coolest friend on a step up. Don't you love that? I love that. Ooh, here's that piece it die again. You're going to use, the piece it dies are the best, you guys, because it's like the background's already done for you. You just pick your cardstock or your pattern paper, and it goes horizontal also. So horizontal and vertical, perfect, right? Let's look at some more boxes because the design team went nuts. Look at this. You got this. Oh my goodness. This is better than real flowers, you guys, because these won't die. These flowers are not going to die. You can have these forever and ever and ever when you give them to someone. Isn't that beautiful? Here's another one. Oh, I love these. These are so fun. Oh, with our winter animals, our all bundled up animals. Look how cute. So all of your club sets that you've gotten from us are going to look amazing in here. Here's another club set that came out. The unicorn. Look at how cute that is. Here's another one. Ready? Ready? Oh, this is using all the pieces from the kit. So cute. Look at those cute little bears, the little hedgehog in there. So adorable. Now, club members, you know the deal. The first 24 hours, they're on flash sale. But rest assured, club members, every single day you come to our website, it's on sale. The entire website. 15 to 20% off the entire website. Every single day, every single item, every single order. So you are getting a sale every single time you go to our website, stampsoflife.com. Now, if you are not a club member, you can join any of our amazing clubs. We have the Stamp Club, the Die Hard Club, the Kit Club, and the Fold It Club, which is the Shaped Card Club. Now, you can be a club member for as little as $13.99 a month, and that includes a brand new stamp set sent to you automatically each month. Then you get the 15% discount off the website every day. Then you get club points to go towards other purchases. And on your anniversary month, you get a $15 gift certificate to our website. We also like to throw in freebies every once in a while because who doesn't love a freebie? So go check it out, stampsoflife.com. Click on the tab, join the club up at the top, and just watch that video. I go through all the clubs and all the discounts and all the goodies, freebies when you join. It's amazing. Go check it out, stampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye.